ground state electron configuration of an ion of argon minus. And what's coming up next? Yeah, we'll do a couple of examples here to cover our bases. So, argon, so argon is element number 18. The argon atom will have 18 electrons, and writing it with a noble gas core, that would just be argon, and that's fine. Then if we want to do argon minus, because it's negative, that means it has one more electron, so 19 electrons. Looking at our periodic table, we were at element 18. We add one more electron, that is going to be in the 4s area, and we end up with argon 4s1. Okay. And again, these are the ground state electron configurations. Now let me talk for a minute about an excited state. That's sort of the opposite of a ground state. The excited state has at least one of its electrons not in the lowest possible energy state. And I know that's not necessarily a great way to write it, but another way of saying it is has at least one of its electrons in a higher energy state, but not in the lowest possible energy state, I think is actually the best way to understand it. So if I were to write an excited state for argon minus, it wouldn't be argon 4s1. It could be any of the electrons, but I'm going to pick on the 4s1 electron here, and I could write argon 5s1. And that just means that instead of being this last electron in its lowest energy state available to it, it's in a higher energy state. Another excited state, and there are many, would be argon 6s1 or argon 5p1. There are many excited states. There's only one ground state. Only one possible way to put the electrons in their lowest energy states possible. Now, let's see. I think that's actually good. Any questions about that?